Hey, what's up guys? So finally MIUI 11 has arrived to almost all Xiaomi devices. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you how to download the MIUI 11 file and how to install MIUI 11 safely. So also make sure that you watch this video till end because this video is going to be very interesting here because I will tell you the impressions of this MIUI 11. So guys, so watch this video till end. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so guys, so first of all, let's see how the interface looks. So guys, as you can see, so this is how the interface looks. So guys, if you see carefully, then the icons are changed. So as you can see, the camera icon. So this camera icon was changed, and this gallery option, gallery icon, and also this themes icon. So say these icons were changed, and icon size also bigger. So now icon size are some bigger than last time, and also now as you can see, this is settings icon. So we can see this setting icon like iOS style. So what can we say? Yeah, this is Xiaomi is copying like Apple. So like that it is looking here. So and also let's go to settings now. So let's see still what we get. So before going to go to settings, let's see still what we have. So as you can see on the home screen, as you can see. So here we have one this a time and one Google search. So as you can see, so this here we have one Google search, and here we have some time and the weather report. So guys, now let's go to the settings and let's see. So guys, if you go to the settings now, then everything was changed. So say everything was changed means all the icons were changed. So because of these icons, you will get a really great interface. So say as you can see all these icons, so really these icons are really great here. So totally these icons, I love these icons, they are really great icons. So you will get a great interface, a great impression with these icons. So guys, really I loved this icon, the style did by Xiaomi. So guys, and also some other features were some other settings was categorized according to the category manner. So guys, now these are the things you get in the settings. I mean, this is how the interface looks in the settings. So guys, now let's go to the about phone. So let's see what we have. So guys, I tap on about phone now, and as you can see, so guys, as you can see, MIUI version global 11.01 0.0.1. So guys, but the sad thing is I was totally disappointed because of this Android version. So guys, as you can see, so Android version 8. So guys, I thought I'll get a Android 9, but I did not get any type of Android 9. So just I have Android 8, and also I got some new Android security pack, and also as you can see, so here we have all specifications option. So you can see all your specifications of your mobile like that. So this is one some useful option we have. So we can move to the this color icon. So as you can see, so guys, so as you can see the color icon, I mean the dialer bar. So guys, even this dialer was totally changed, so it's look nicer now. So really all this icon was changed, and this color dialer was changed. So guys, whenever you will tap on the content, then this is how you can see. So guys, move to the messaging browser. So camera, so nothing was changed, just the icon was changed, but nothing new features in this messaging app or the camera. So guys, and also one thing here, so I think you can find a breaking of voice in middle. So guys, actually I don't have time to make this video, but I'm making this video very fast. So that's why really I was not feeling well, but even though video is video, so that's why I'm making this video. So let's move forward and let's see still what we have the new features. So according to the interface, so these are the interface. So now if you want to download this MIUI 11, then link will be in the description below. So tap on the link, and then you will go to directly MIUI website, and then you have to select your MIUI model, and then just download the file. And after that, go to settings and tap on system update, and after that tap on three dots. So guys, after tapping on the three dots menu, you can see one option called choose a package. So tap on choose a package and then select that file. Then your MIUI 11 will be updated. So your mobile will be updated to MIUI 11. So before going to that, remember one thing. So if you update your mobile to MIUI 11, then you will lose all your data. So mobile will be resetted. So these are the some new interface of this MIUI 11. So guys, move to the some new features. So guys, I not see any type of new features in this MIUI 11 because I not get a time to see the futures also. So that's why I'm making this video very urgently. So guys, I will make another video of this MIUI 11 future. So stay tuned for that. So guys, finally I want to end this video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. And if you have any type of doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.